What's going on? They can see me over there. I know they can. They're like, why is there a guy filming up there? You know. Right. Alright, so I have to do some little talking right now because there's like music playing in the background. So... Oh, there's more. Whoa, whoa. What the fuck? Oh, they went into the trees. Is it gonna explode or something? Oh boy, this guy. Oh boy, I think they're saying I'm in much trouble. I don't know, they're probably talking about me. But for you? I wonder if that's it. Alright, hang on you guys. Maybe I gotta pause this. Just so... Oh! I don't know. Yeah, they can see me through the light. Probably right here. Okay. Guys, this will take a while. Uh-oh. It's kind of catchy. Sounds kind of catchy. Oh. And again. It's got country music in the background. Uh-oh. Oh! Nothing. The other neighborhood is cheering for them. They can see them through the pine trees. I filmed their house, remember? They're just little sparks shooting out. Just nothing exciting. Alright. Alright, so... okay, is this gonna... okay, so it's actually red, but in this camera it's orange. Oh. Okay, oh! Or is that a bonfire? Yeah, it's on fire. It's set on fire. Oh, we got another one lighting up, I think. Is that YMCA playing in the background? He's gotta get a fire. He's gotta get a water hose to put the fire out. Alright, so I gotta make sure is that it. Because, if that's it, I'm gonna end this video right now if it does. Alright. They can clearly see me through that light. But I don't care. I don't even hear them talking about me, so it ain't embarrassing. Alright, so, is that it? Hold on, let me pause this, and if this might be the end of the video. And we're back. Yeah, see a little boy dancing. God. Okay, just back away, boy. Alright, so, oh! That's it? Just that? Alright, so, alright, so we gotta make sure it's, film. So, hopefully this doesn't really get caught on camera with the YMCA song, so, alright, alright, so, yeah. Is that it? Alright, let me pause this. Okay, guys, so apparently, something fell down from a kid and it sparked. Wait a minute. You'll see one that looks just like one. And you see that sparkling? That's what it, yeah, that's what it was doing right there. Alright. Oh. Gotta hide in the forest and I can... Alright, so we got some fireworks going on. Yeah, so, alright. Yeah, they can see me from back there. Uh-oh. Really? Just nothing? Alright, so I gotta keep on talking because of the music, you know? doing? Mm. Is that okay? I just want to make sure if that's it. Alright, so. Alright. Oh. Just nothing. Alright, so. Uh-oh. Alright, so I'm gonna pause this. This might be it. Oh. Alright, so I think this is it, you guys, because there's not that much fun anymore. So, bye. Happy 4th of July.